What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a quick video and show you how to connect your phone to a 2015 Toyota Prius using the Bluetooth. Like I said, it's a 15 Prius in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. I'm going to be demonstrating this on an iPhone. Other phones will be similar. The first thing we want to do is go into our phone's settings menu, go into your Bluetooth, and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now taking a look at our radio screen, if you're not already on there, go ahead and click the setup button. Then once we're on this screen, click Bluetooth. From here, click Connect Phone. And then once we're on this screen, click Add New. So what we're looking for is Car Multimedia. That's how it's going to pop up on our phone. We see it right here, Car Multimedia. Go ahead and click that. Then we want to make sure that this PIN number here matches this security code down here, and it does. So on our phone, go ahead and click Pair. And now we're connected. This is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. I'll allow that. As you can see, we're connected here, and we're also connected here. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.